Welcome to the world of art and fashion brimming with creativity. In this video, we invite you to witness one of the most captivating moments from Miami Swim Week, the body art performance known as the Black Tape Project. This masterpiece blends art, design, and fashion in an innovative way, using black tape to create futuristic and stylish looks. The Black Tape Project is not just about fashion. It's a unique form of artistic expression where the body becomes a canvas to bring meaningful and aesthetic designs to life. In slow motion, we highlight every intricate detail of the designs and the model's movements, offering you a deep appreciation for how this body art celebrates beauty and confidence. This video is made to inspire and encourage appreciation for art in all its forms. Everything you see here is the result of a collaboration between artists and designers who work without boundaries. We believe art is a universal language that bridges cultures and perspectives. We greatly value your support in celebrating creativity like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Together, we can continue to support art, fashion, and innovation in new and exciting ways. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.